The Trump presidency will be inflationary or reflationary. Now, I've been saying this for a while. You can see it there for the US. I've said it before he was elected as well. That means asset prices will increase in price, nominal prices. Uh, Now, what does that mean? Well, I'd certainly want to be invested in the stock market, even though nominal prices are rising, and in real terms, depending on the overall price of inflation, that might not give me the purchasing power if inflation's high. Very simple thing to do, very Warren Buffett thing to do as well. Just make sure you're not spending a lot, that you're just having those nominal price rises uh, reflect in your bottom line by reducing your expenditures. Simple. And there's your profit margin right there. So anyway, it's going to be good for stocks, bottom line. And this is research from, happens to be from Schroders, who've crunched some of the numbers, and I'm fine with that analysis.